When the night is long and my heart grows weak, you are the voice that speaks peace to me. When the road is dark and I cannot see, your loving hands keep carrying me. Every burden, every fear, every silent cry you hear, you have never left my side. Through every storm, through every tide. And when I call your name, everything begins to change. Yeshua, Yeshua, the name above all names. Yeshua, Yeshua, forever you remain. You are my shelter in the rain, my healer through the pain. My heart will sing your praise, Yeshua. In the middle of my brokenness, you found me and gave me rest. When I felt I had no strength left, you carried me upon your chest. You are mercy every morning, you are hope when hope is gone. You are light inside the darkness, the reason I keep holding on. And when I call your name, everything begins to change. Yeshua, Yeshua, the name above all names. Oh, Yeshua, Yeshua, forever you remain. Oh, you are my shelter in the rain. Oh, my healer through the pain. Oh, my heart will sing your praise, Yeshua. There is power in your name. Chains are broken when you reign. There is healing in your touch. Lord, I need you so much. There is freedom in your love, grace flowing from above. Every knee will bow someday, every tongue confess your name. My Savior, my Redeemer, Yeshua, King of glory, Holy One, I worship you, I adore you, I surrender all to you, Yeshua, the name above all names. Oh, Yeshua, forever you remain. You are my peace when oceans rise, the hope within my life. Forever I will sing, Yeshua. Yeshua. Forever I'll worship you.